Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Sophie. All are very well. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive silk collections only for you. So let me display. This one is very beautiful one. 5JP1 is saree code 2700 is saree price. Very nice one. Premium quality pure handloom cotton staple with beautiful printed one. Very nice one. Soft, lightweight. And this one is full base part, beautiful print. This one is full base part is beautiful printed one. This one is border portion, stripes pattern, printed border. This one is full base part, beautiful one, cotton staple material with print. Very nice one, smart, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, beautiful printed pallu. This one is pallu part, beautiful smart printed one, floral pattern printed, and this one is pallu, stripes pattern, fully printed one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom cotton staple material. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3000 for your elegant, exclusive daily looks, office looks. Very smart one. This one is very exclusive one, pure cotton silk, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk with beautiful weaving design. 5JP2 is saree code 4900 is saree price. Very nice one, elegant looks, bright, beautiful one. This one is full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, mustard yellow golden shade, and this one is border design, fine golden zari weaving border, golden zari with fine temple weaving design border. And this one is 3D cotton silk, pure handloom Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk. And this portion is split section, half portion split section is beautiful, contrast color stripes with fine weaving design, stripes pattern. This one is beautiful, stripes with beautiful weaving design. Very nice one, bright, beautiful looks, contrast maroon shaded stripes design with weaving work. Very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Very nice one, same stripes pattern, beautiful stripes pattern pallu. This one is pallu part. Very bright, beautiful one, contrast color stripes with beautiful weaving design pallu part. Very nice one, smart, elegant looks. This one is pleats, this one is base part golden shade, this one is upper portion base part, and this one is pleats. Very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this synthetic material, heavy bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5100 for your smart, bright, exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful one, cotton silk, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk. 5JP3 is saree code 3600 is saree price. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, bright red shade. This one is full base part is plain. This one is full base part. This one is beautiful, bright red shade, full base part is plain. 3D Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, bright red shade. Very smart, elegant one. And I will suggest this bouquet work, heavy bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3800 for your smart, bright, exclusive looks. Very beautiful printed one, very demanding. 5JP4 is saree code 3700 is saree price. Very beautiful one, Vishnupuri silk, pure silk with beautiful hand printed one. This one is full base part, beautiful print, floral printed, fully hand print. This one is contrast color printed border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast bright color stripes pattern pallu. This one is beautiful pallu, and this one is border, same stripes pattern, contrast color stripes pattern border. And this one is full base part of white base with beautiful hand printed one. Very smart, elegant looks, fully hand print, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece. This one is off white base and beautiful hand printed. fully hand print, very nice one, smart elegant looks. And I will suggest the silk material with heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4300 for your exclusive elegant look. Same material today I have did Bishnupuri silk with print. And you know, this one is very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton staple material with beautiful print, very nice one, elegant color combinations also. Premium quality pure handloom cotton staple. This one is in a full base part, beautiful printed one, based for your office wear, very trendy smart looks. This one is contrast color printed border, floral printed border, and this one is full base part, beautiful printed one, soft lightweight smart trendy looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, contrast color printed stripes pattern pallu. For your smart elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom cotton staple material. This one is full base part, beautiful border design, and full base part is printed one, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3000 for your exclusive smart trendy looks. This one also very beautiful one, Bishnupuri silk with print. 5JP6 is saree code, 3700 is a saree price, very smart one, beautiful printed one, fully hand printed, very nice one. Half portion is green and half portion is royal blue with beautiful printed. This one is half portion fully printed plain green shade, and this one is half portions beauty. This one is pallu part, beautiful contrast color green royal blue shaded with beautiful hand printed pallu. This one is pallu, this one is upper base part green, and this one is split section, same patli pallu pattern, same printed one. This one is splits, this one is splits, beautiful hand print, beautiful hand printed one. This one is running blouse piece, this blue section is split section, this one is splits, and this one is upper portion green shade, and pallu end is same blue shaded printed, very exclusive smart trendy looks. Premium quality pure handloom pure Bishnupuri silk with print, fully hand print. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4300 for your exclusive elegant looks. Very beautiful one, semi garage silk, beautiful weaving work. 5JP7 is saree code, 3400 is a saree price, beautiful one, contrast color border, fully weaving border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design. Let me open, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is full base part, base is semi garage silk. This one is contrast color border, fine golden zari weaving with temple highlighted weaving design temple work, and this one is full base part, beautiful golden zari weaving butta design, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful weaving design patch pallu, very nice one, fully golden zari weaving design, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is contrast color border, and this one is full base part, bright blue shade with beautiful fine weaving design butta. This one is contrast color border, fully weaving border, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, same pallu shaded, and this one is full base part, very bright one. One portion is green shaded contrast border, one portion is pink shaded contrast border, very nice one. And I will suggest this synthetic material heavy pocket work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3600 for your smart elegant looks, very bright one. This one also very beautiful one, pure Kata Bishnupuri cotton silk, and full base part is self weaving design, very exclusive one. 5JP9 is saree code, 5500 is saree price. Let me open, very nice one, beautiful elegant looks, bright blue shade, half, very nice one. This one is full base part, this one is half portion is pink shaded and half portion is bright blue shaded, and full base part is self weaving design, full base, very nice one. And this one is running blouse piece, pink shaded, self weaving design, golden zari border, running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, stripes pattern with beautiful golden zari fine stripes lines, contrast color, self weaving design, pallu. This one is pallu part, very nice one. Full base part is self weaving design, full base is self weaving part, golden zari highlighted stripes line, contrast color, pallu. And this one is upper portion blue shade, this one is upper portion, this one is pallu end, and this one is bright blue shade upper portion with golden zari border. And this one is split section, pink shaded splits, this one is splits, this one is splits, fully self weaving design, golden zari border. And this one is upper portion, bright blue shade, this one is upper portion, and this one is pallu part, contrast color, beautiful stripes pattern pallu, very elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material sequin work contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 5900 for your smart, bright, exclusive, elegant looks. This one also very nice one, 5JP80 saree code 2700 is a saree price, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton staple with beautiful printed one, very nice one, soft, smart, trendy looks, best for your office wear. This one is full base part, pink shade with beautiful contrast color printed one. And this one is border portions, beautiful contrast color printed border. And this one is full base part, very nice one, smart, trendy looks, best for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully contrast color printed pallu, very smart one. And this one is full base part, beautiful printed one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one, soft, smart, trendy, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed kalamkari printed contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 2900 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And also very beautiful one, pure tussar silk with beautiful hand print, 5JP10 is saree code 4600 is saree price, very beautiful one, fully hand printed one, shadow effect, pure tussar silk. And this one is full base part, very nice one, floral printed one, very beautiful hand print. This one is border portion, contrast color, golden zari border. And this one is full base part, beautiful hand printed one, floral print, hand print, very nice one. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color stripes, golden with golden zari stripes, and beautiful hand printed one, very nice one, soft, smart, elegant looks. This one is contrast color border, golden zari with contrast color border. And this one is full base part, very demanding one, shadow effect with beautiful hand print, very nice one. This one is beautiful shadow effect with printed one, fully hand print. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful printed one, very elegant, smart looks, contrast color border, pure tussar silk with pure handloom tussar silk with beautiful hand print one, very nice one. And I will suggest this bouquet work synthetic material bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 4800 for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one also very beautiful one, pure cotton silk, and full base part is self weaving work, very elegant one. 5JP11 is saree code 5500 is saree price, very beautiful color combinations, a half. Let me open, very beautiful one, greenish base part is greenish, this one is half portion, green set with beautiful self weaving design, full base part, golden zari border, and this one is half portions, beautiful self weaving design. Base is 3D cotton silk, have sign also 3D effect, and this one is half portions, beautiful fully self weaving design, 3D cotton with weaving base. Very nice one, smart elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color self weaving stripes with beautiful highlighted stripes lines. Very nice one. This one is self weaving design, contrast color stripes pattern pallu. This one is pallu part. This one is upper portions, beautiful color, golden zari self weaving base. This one is upper portion, and this one is half portion split section. This one is pleats, fully self weaving design, have 3D effect, dual set, and this one is upper portion, fully self weaving design, golden zari border, and this one is contrast color pallu. Very nice one, smart elegant exclusive looks, pure handloom Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, and full base is self weaving design. And I will suggest this silk material with a buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5900 for your smart, bright, exclusive, elegant looks. This one also very smart, trendy one. 5JP13 is saree code. 3700 is saree price. Dual set 3D cotton silk, full base part is plain, dual set greenish with blue effect. Very nice one, smart elegant looks. Plain, full base part is plain, very trendy one, 3D cotton silk dual effect. This one is beautiful 3D cotton silk, Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, soft, lightweight, comfortable, greenish with blue effect. Very nice one. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3900 for your smart, bright, beautiful looks. Very elegant, trendy one. This one also beautiful one, beautiful printed one, based for your office wear. Very smart looks. 5JP13 is saree code. 2700 is saree price. Very smart one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton staple with beautiful printed one. Very smart looks. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, contrast color printed border, and this one is full base part. Very nice one, smart elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom cotton staple material. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color printed stripes pallu. Very nice one, smart elegant looks. This one is full base part, and this one is full base part, beautiful printed one. Very smart elegant exclusive looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. Very nice one. And I will suggest this soft silk material, beautiful floral printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2900 for your exclusive, smart, trendy office looks. Very beautiful one, pure handloom Vishnupuri cotton silk, 3D cotton silk. 5JP14 is saree code. 3700 is saree price. Very elegant color combinations, dual shade, very nice one. This one is full base part. Full base part is plain blue with greenish, yellowish greenish effect. This one is full base part. Full base part is plain. Very smart one, 3D cotton silk, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, dual effect. Very nice one, smart elegant exclusive looks, very trendy one. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, dual effect. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your smart elegant exclusive looks. Very trendy one. This one also very beautiful one, same material, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk. 5JP15 is saree code. 3700 is saree price, same material, 3D cotton silk, dual effect. Very nice one. Let me open. Full base part is plain, plain is very trendy and exclusive looks also. This one is full base part, 3D cotton silk, dual effect. This one is reddish shade, reddish greenish shade, dual effect. This one is beautiful one, 3D cotton silk, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk. Very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. Soft, lightweight, comfortable obviously. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy golden zari weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your bright, beautiful, trendy, smart, exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful one, best for your office wear, very trendy, smart looks. 5JP16 is a saree code, 2700 is a saree price, very nice one. Premium quality, pure handloom, cotton stuffer with beautiful printed one. Let me open. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, best for your office wear, very smart looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, color also very elegant, beautiful one, soft, sober. And this one is border portions, beautiful printed border, best for your office wear, professional wear, very trendy, smart looks. Soft, lightweight, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece, printed border, and this one is full base part, very nice one. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, contrast color, printed stripes pattern, printed pallu, and this one is full base part, very smart, elegant look, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful checks pattern, printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2900 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also very nice one, beautiful color combinations, 3D cotton silk. 5JP17 is saree code, 3700 is saree price, very elegant one, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, dual effect, orange with golden yellow combined weaving, dual set. This one is full base part, beautiful one, have golden set, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk. This one is full base part, 3D effect, dual effect, and this one is full, very nice one, full base part is plain, trendy, smart looks, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, very premium quality. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, heavy self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4300 for your elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. Very beautiful color, very bright one, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk with beautiful weaving design, very nice one. 5JP18 is saree code, 4900 is saree price, very nice one, elegant, exclusive, bright looks. This one is beautiful color. This one is a purple shade, and this one is border portions, beautiful weaving design, border, 3D cotton silk. This one is full base part, magenta pink with purple contrast, 3D effect. This one is beautiful border design, and this one is split section, beautiful one, stripes pattern, fine weaving design, every stripes fine weaving design, stripes pattern, splits. This one is split section, very nice one, beautiful one, 3D cotton silk with beautiful weaving design. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, stripes pattern, beautiful weaving design, stripes pattern, contrast color stripes with beautiful weaving design, pallu, very nice one. This one is beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very bright, beautiful looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu, and this one is upper portion, purple shade, very nice one. And this one is split section, patli pallu, this one is split, same stripes pattern, and this one is upper portions, plain with border, and beautiful 3D cotton silk, very nice one, elegant, exclusive, smart, bright looks, very gorgeous also. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5100 for your smart, bright, elegant, gorgeous looks. This one also very nice one, soft, sober looks, pure tussar silk, pure handloom tussar silk with beautiful printed one. 5JP19 is saree code, 4600 is saree price, handloom tussar silk with beautiful printed one, very smart one. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, contrast border, one portion is green shaded with golden zari border, one portion is blue shaded with golden zari border, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, golden zari stripes with beautiful printed Pallu, very nice one, smart, trendy, elegant looks. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful printed one with contrast border, pure handloom tussar silk with beautiful printed. Very smart one. And I will suggest this silk material, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 4900 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. Very trendy one. This one also, very elegant one, beautiful color combinations also, premium quality, pure handloom, Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, 5JP20 saree code 4900 is saree price. Very nice one, beautiful color combinations, pink shade. This one is full base part 3D cotton silk. This one is full base part, very smart, beautiful one, beautiful color also, pink shaded contrast magenta pink border, and this one is full base part 3D cotton silk, and this one is pallu part, stripes pattern, contrast color, smart stripes pattern. Pallu, very elegant one, and this one is full base part. This one is upper portion, pink shaded contrast border, and this one is stripes pattern, split section, patli pallu pattern. This one is splits. This one is upper portion, pink shade, and this one is running blouse piece, contrast color or stripes pattern splits, and this one is base and same stripes pattern, pallu, patli pallu, premium quality, pure handloom, Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, patli pallu. Very smart one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 5300 for your elegant, exclusive, bright looks, bright, gorgeous looks. And today I have draped a beautiful bright color pure Vishnupuri silk with beautiful hand printed one. Half portion is black base, pure black base, and half portion is bright yellow with beautiful hand printed one. Very nice one. This one is pallu part, pallu also beautiful printed one, fully hand print, very nice one. 3700 saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.